This is a tutorial on how to obtain the Vaultkeepers melody. First, you want to go up and to the left of Songclave. You want to go all the way to where you fought the Cogwork dancers. If you're looking for the map, it's above that room with the bench, using wall jump. From here, you want to go down here and go through this segment of Cogwork core. Follow along with the video presented at 1.5x speed slow. Down in settings if necessary. Be sure to get this switch, just in case you die. From here, continue going right until further notice. While in this segment, it's useful to open the path upwards to Songclave. The room with the sign there is where you will take the sacred psalm for the melody. In this room, you will fight Trobbio. If you have not done so, do it. Then come back. From here, you want to go under. Where the elevator was, continue to follow Hornet. After going upwards here, you will take a left and find the sacred psalm shining on the ground. Now you can take this to the Vaultkeepers room, C327, and retrieve the Vaultkeepers melody. Thanks for watching, and I hoped this helped.